Nearly half of small businesses still don't have a website in 2025. That means thousands of shops, restaurants, and service providers are basically invisible to customers searching online. And that's a lot of money left on the table. But here's the crazy part. With one simple tool, you can find all of them in seconds, reach out instantly, and turn that into a steady income stream. We're going to use Google Maps to find businesses without a website. First, we'll scrape them with Map Scraper, so instead of checking one by one, we instantly grab a full list of leads. I'll show you, step by step, how to install and use Map Scraper. Setting up the Map Scraper tool. Step 1. Download the Map Scraper head over to the Map Scraper website and download the tool. It's a simple one-click download button on their homepage. This specialized tool is designed specifically for extracting business information from Google Maps efficiently. Step 2. Install the extension. Once downloaded, we need to install it properly. Open Chrome and click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Select Extensions from the drop-down menu. Then click Manage Extensions to access your extensions page. In the extensions page, enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Now simply drag and drop your downloaded Map Scraper file onto this page. Step 3. Complete the setup. After installation, you'll need to connect the tool with your Google account. This gives the scraper proper access to interact with Google Maps. Just follow the login prompts that appear. Step 4. Start scraping. Now we're ready to pull our first list of leads. Let's say I want to find pizza restaurants in my city. I'll type pizza into the Google Maps search bar, then click the Start Scraping button. You'll see 3 scraping options. Scrape Google Maps. Basic info only, fastest option. Scrape Google Maps with email, one includes email addresses. Scrape Google Maps with emails and social media links, the most detailed. For this example, we'll pick the first option and click Start. That's it. Now let the magic happen. Map Scraper will automatically navigate through Google Maps, pulling in all the business details for you. While it works, you can sit back, relax, or grab yourself a coffee. Your leads are on the way. Step 5. Save your results. Once the scraping is finished, your data will automatically be downloaded as a CSV file. No extra clicks needed. Simply open the file in Excel or any spreadsheet program to view and organize your leads. Now you've successfully collected valuable business information from Google Maps, ready to power your outreach campaigns. Step 6. Start your WhatsApp outreach. Next, we'll reach out to these businesses using WhatsApp. First, install WA Bulk Message Sender, EasyWaSender from the Chrome Web Store. Once that's done, we'll take our Google Maps data and run it through ChatGPT to filter out businesses that don't have a website. These will be our prime leads for outreach. Step 7. Send your bulk WhatsApp messages. Now, upload the downloaded file to EasyWaSender. From there, send a bulk WhatsApp message to the businesses offering your services. This is where the magic happens. You start connecting with potential clients and turning those leads into real income. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you've got ideas for the next video, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.